Hi, my name is Alex Carlucci with Gustan Cho Associates. I want to talk to you about reestablishing credit while you're in a bankruptcy, like a Chapter 13 or post Chapter 7. When you file the Chapter 13 and you have a trustee, the trustee is going to, have to approve most of your credit, opening new credit. So establishing new credit while you're in a 13 is a little more difficult. Sometimes it requires a trustee, sometimes it doesn't. I recommend you talk to your bankruptcy attorney and have them talk to the trustee. There are types of credit you can open that will help your credit, but not all of them, have to be approved. So I've seen some like lease-to-own, like a furniture, that would help your credit, and you don't have to give trustee approval. Now that's not all trustees, so please talk to your bankruptcy attorney and ask the trustee which ones are allowable without permission from the court. Now post, discharge of the Chapter 13, you can start opening credit cards. If you can't get one because you get denied, then you can open a secured credit card, like go to a bank, give them $200, then they give you a $200 limit on a credit card, but it's actually your money, but they'll give it to anybody who has $200. So that's one way to reestablish credit. Now with a Chapter 7, as soon as you get discharged, you're going to get flooded with credit card offers. So it should be pretty easy to get credit cards, but if you can't, do the secured credit card the same way. So always open credit cards as soon as you can. Start reestablishing your credit, as many as you can. It's the best, the more the merrier. That will help boost your score from the drag on the following the bankruptcy will drag down on your score. So the only way to fight that is open more credit. Don't be late. If you're late after bankruptcies, it's very hard to get a mortgage for a long time. So don't be late on anything after bankruptcies. If you got any more questions, call me anytime. Licensed in 48 states. My phone number is 630-915-7550. Thank you.